went with my granny to the church. She was feeling bored inside, so I took her out for a round. And we are come to have tender coconuts now. She's still telling me that Dato Nakmusang. My guy, Tuka. Na, Tupi. Pi. Are Naka, Anga Chare Naka. Ra, I got Mandi Tuka.
Hi guys, welcome back to my boyfriend channel. So now we are going to Margao for some last minute shopping because we have 2 trips coming up and we have not done anything. We have not done any shopping. So we are going to Margao. We need few things. So we won't tell you where we are going now. We'll get to know in the next vlogs. So he's taking me to Margao. You want to say anything?
Hi. So we were pretty much busy because of the wedding and all the preparations, and we did not get time to do the shopping. So we are leaving on Monday, and today is Friday. We hardly have one day that is left for the shopping. So we'll try and finish how much we can today, and tomorrow a few things with related to the bike and all will be done tomorrow. The plan right now is that we'll only go to Margao and finish the shopping. The things later on we'll see as per the time that goes by. So we just reached Margao and we are going to a sports shop. That is because we need some inners and football socks to put it on the riding shoes. So we'll just buy it. So we have got football socks and we did not get the inner though. Actually, on the riding shoes and all, these football socks do wonders. If you wear any kind of shoes, any kind of socks, those riding shoes which are there, they tend to catch your legs and you get cuts on the long run. So we'll check for that on the other shops, but here the quality was not that good. So we went to a taping shop, a normal taping shop, and earlier the things that we could get for 20 rupees are being charged for 100 rupees right now. I don't know why is this and how is the rate inflated so much. So I'll go to 2-3 more shops and we'll see how much it is, and we'll compare the rates and then give it accordingly. Because spending so much on just a small thing, it is like totally useless. So still now we are on this Akhe road, and we'll go to more 2-3 shops and we'll check what it is. We are come to a print shop and it is Quick Prints. So he has a very decent rate and a decent job also. So he just showed us some layouts on how it will look. So we are looking for something like this but a smaller size. We have already given the stickers. I'll show you all once the job is done. I think it will be done by tomorrow morning. He has called us tomorrow morning to collect that. So we'll just do the advance payment and all and move out from here because there is a lot of shopping that we need to do as well.
So we are done with the printing job and now we came to the market for some local shopping. I think the shops are closed. I don't know. We don't have any idea. We also have to collect the thermocol.
Yes.
That we left 1,000 years ago. What do you say?
Yes.
Are we collecting it?
Yeah. First we should get some parking.
Yes.
So we were just checking for raincoats because we are going to South India and this is a rainy season. So my girl is taking me to the shop because she is the market guru. Mama, hold my hand and take me. So in the market it's just like always that I am following her. I don't know the shops and all. I just go behind her. तू अरे जाना काय व्यस्त दावा तो इतरे मुकारो. So I came walking after her for 3-4 minutes and she just stopped at one shop and she asked raincoat and he's like, oi, I can't even see any raincoats over here, but I don't know what confidence my girl has of walking in the market. So we got the raincoats. So finally we got this thing, that is a raincoat and winter gloves. So these are the ones with the mobile touch and these are for baby girl. So she is only getting prepped up for all this ride shopping. Actually, I have everything that I need because of all those rides that I've done. Only thing is we did not have this, so we'll buy it for her and then we'll move out of here. Actually, we need to buy a lot of things as well, so we'll quickly get out of the market and carry on with other things. After a lot of bargaining, we got body warmer, gloves and raincoat. We spent like 15-20 minutes over there. We are just looking at things, saying no, looking at things, saying no. Even he got bored. He's like, just take it and just go. So
They're good at bargaining.
yeah. So we are going out of the market now, and I don't know what are the other things that we need to do.
We're not going out of the market.
Then where we are going?
We have to buy cargo pants.
Okay. We need some pens. So the market guru will take me to the shop.
Yeah.
I don't know. You say. Okay. So we are going to some shop now. Let's see.
A few minutes later.
Every day our shopping is so late that you see every shop here is closed. And this is not just today, this is every time. By the time we come for shopping out, everything is mostly closed only. So we collected the thermocols as well. It's been quite a long time that they were pending to be collected. So finally I thought, why not just take it now?
And the storekeeper also knows us properly. Like we took 7 first, and now 3 were pending, so they know us.
Yeah, even when we went inside, he's like, teen thermocol ullote anu. She's asking us. So we'll just put it in the car, and it is quite fast, the car parking that we did. So we'll just go over there now. So we were just going on the way, and she happened to see this Pani Puri guy. I told him no, but she's like, please, eku plate. So I said, okay, we'll have.
I'm having pani puri after a year.
Okay. Actually, I was a bit hesitant to eat because we will be traveling soon, and if we have this, and we might catch cold and all. So that's why. But still, she is insisting, so we'll have a plate. How's the taste?
Fine.
Fine? Okay. So the first one only which I had, I don't know what happened, but I'm coughing. But you see how she is eating, there's no problem like to her. I think I'm only the Amma Bagat here. So I think there was a feeding mistake from her. She did not know how to feed it to me. So it looks like this shop that is Prime Automobiles is open, and we need to buy a riding jacket. Let's see if they are open. We'll check out the sizes. The main important thing is we need to check out the sizes for her if they are available in Goa anywhere. So we'll just go. So luckily we have the sizes. We will be checking with small and medium first because we are not sure what's the size. Okay, so this is the Exor one. It looks like she's sinking in medium. Kida fit kida. So after a long way and a long trials, we have selected this jacket for my girl. This is the Exor one, a level 2 jacket, and we are also buying intercoms. So 2 intercoms for both of us. And you look at the happiness on my girl's face. She's so excited to go for the ride, and she can't wait until she sits on the bike wearing the riding jacket and all. So here is her raincoat. Okay. So this is his Himalayan, and you see how well it is loaded. Fog lights, Mad Dog fog lights, I think. Yeah. The GPS, the top box, the side box, panniers, and this is the Himalayan 450. This is the Mad Dog. What it is? Phone holder with the dampers and all. Crazy. So my girl is super excited with all the shopping. So we left from there, and now we are going to eat something. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Anyway.
Every time I ask her something, she'll be just like anywhere.
No.
What? No. Wait. No. I ask her.
If I want to go somewhere, I'll tell you. See, I told you that we'll go to have pani puri. I want pani puri. If I want
that is
something,
only
I'll tell you.
Only when you see.
See,
Okay.
related to food, if you tell me anything, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Just blame me on your vlogs.
Okay, fine. So my baby girl is home and she's taking all her things that are here and everywhere. So we are done with the shopping. Most of it we are done with. Only thing is that tomorrow we have to collect the stickers and all that. We will be ready for the ride before going to Velankani. So the first place that we are going to is Velankani. I'm going with Joshua's family, and so after Velankani there's a travel plan, separate one. So the thing is, after Velankani we don't have time to prepare for the next one. So we have to do everything right now. We have 2 days. We are leaving on Monday. So in these 2 days we have to keep my bike ready and everything. I have to keep it ready so that once we come back, the next day we move out. So once we come back, there's no time for shopping and everything, all that. Just packing and then we'll move. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye. Nano.
Bye.
Bye.